Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a review comparing the Macadamia Natural oil. This is like the deep repair mask. I got this in a deal on Hot Look or Zulily, I forget which one, and they have really good deals. I got this in the leave-in cream for $25, and the leave-in cream is a huge 10-ounce bottle, and that alone is $20 on its own, so I never buy full price. I just wait for it to hit back on Hot Look, which once a month and a half, it will usually pop up. And I wanted to do a video comparing the Macadamia Natural oil versus the Sally's dupe. This is the by Chemist Macadamia Oil Deep Repair Mask. And I'm going to shoot this video in two parts and just edit it together. This is my hair after leaving the Macadamia brand deep repair mask. I did leave this in my hair overnight. I took a shower. It was over the holiday weekend, and I think I took a shower at like 2 o'clock, and I just put it up in a clip. And this smells, I will say this smells a lot better, so amazing, more than the other one. The other one still smells good. This one just smells a lot better. And this is a very thick consistency. As you can see, it kind of reminds me of the consistency of the L'Oreal Eraser Balm. I do have a detailed video of that as well. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in that. That is one of my favorite drugstore masks. And for this, if you have thin, not thick or coarse hair, I do not recommend this for you. This will be too much for your hair. And personally, I tried it the first time. I only left it on a couple hours, and then I washed it out, and I just thought my hair was poofy, and it didn't really saturate into my hair. For my hair personally, it has to sit on my hair overnight. Anytime I put a deep conditioner in, I just leave it in overnight and wash it out the next day, depending on my schedule. I'll leave it in 2 days if I'm just laying around the house. And as you can see, my hair is really soft and shiny. I haven't changed anything with my other hair products that I use. I still use the Diva Curl Styling Cream with the Macadamia brand oil with the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and I just mix those all together with the Macadamia brand leave-in cream. And that's all I did. This is no gel, no mousse, no anything. I don't really like to put a styling product in my hair. And as you can see, I don't have any frizz. I took a shower this morning at like 4:30 in the morning. It is, I think it's like 4:35 right now. And it really moisturizes my hair. As you can see, sometimes when I wash my hair and I leave stuff on overnight, it'll get too saturated and too moisturized, and it will be kind of frizzy. But as you can see, it's really soft. My curls are defined, and it's really soft and shiny. You can see how shiny it is for curly hair. It takes a lot for curly hair to get soft and shiny. So the first time I used this, like I said, I only left it on a couple hours. If you have thick, coarse hair, take the recommendation and leave it on overnight and wash it out the next morning. It's just a lot easier and quicker for me for work too. I usually will do this on a Sunday, and then I'll do my face mask day as well. And for this next one, I'll wait until next week, and I try to do a deep conditioner in my hair once a week. Since my hair is so dry and everything, I wash my hair a couple times a week with different things. And when I don't have time to deep conditioner, I'll just use either Joico Moisture or Joico K-Pack for the week. And this other one, this is the Macadamia Oil Deep Repair Mask. And the macadamia one, this is really smart to read the ingredients. Let's see why it smells so good. It has macadamia seed oil, argan oil, argan sorbic acid, and I can't pronounce any of the other things. And this macadamia oil, let's see the ingredients back here, if I can pronounce anything. It has olive in it, olive fruit extract, tennifolia seed oil, macadamia seed oil, argania spinosa kernel oil, olive fruit extract, like I said. I can't pronounce any of these things. It has rosemary leaf extract in here. Sorry, it's like storming outside. And it says horse chestnut. I'm not sure what that means. Lactic acid, chestnut seed extract, and a bunch of other stuff that I cannot pronounce. It says it's reconstructor for dry or damaged hair. And I will say, it says to leave it in for 7 minutes, but I also left this in for hours. The first time I tried it, I left it in for hours and hours, and I really liked it. It did make my hair nice and smooth, but I left it on overnight. And in the next video that I'll edit together with this, I'll show you the results between this and then my hair leaving this on overnight with this, and I'll show you the consistency of this. It's not as thick as the macadamia. It's more like a regular conditioner, but it does smell really good. It has more of a coconutty kind of a scent, which I like, and it's a lot. I will say that the macadamia brand one, it's very, very, very thick, and it takes a really long time for it to absorb into my hair. This one absorbs into my hair a lot easier. And I guess I'll check in next week. Hi everybody, and I'm back. I did what I said I would do. I left the macadamia oil, this is the Hair Chemist Deep Repair Mask. I left this in my hair overnight and I washed it out this morning. And as you can see, here are the results right here. It's probably not as soft, it's still soft, it's just not as soft as with the more expensive one. And there's a tiny bit, there's like 1 or 2 strands that aren't as well moisturized as my other ones, but you can't really tell. And I can always fix that with the oil or something, so if you're really trying to save money, I say give it a go and go to Sally's or order online. This is the Hair Chemist Macadamia Oil Deep Repair Mask. And the only differences I would say are the price, obviously. The name brand one smells better. And they both smell good, it's just different. Like this one is more coconutty kind of a smell. And then the name brand one, I just can't explain it. It just smells so freaking good. And this is really thick. It reminds me of the eraser balm mask that you can get, eraser balm. It's very thick and it takes a really long time for it to penetrate into the hair. And I would say if you have thinner hair, this might be easier for you to use instead of this thick, really thick. Like, I'll show you the difference between. On this hand, I have the name brand, and then on this hand, I have the knockoff. And this is pretty thick in consistency, and then this one's really light. It's kind of, it reminds me of just a regular conditioner, but it does a really good job at nourishing the whole hair and roots. It does the same, I use the same exact styling products and styling process that I always do. It was just like this one little itsy bitsy little hair right there. For some reason it didn't get as well moisturized as the rest of my hair. But I would say if you're trying to save money, then use the Sally's version. Because this, the only way I would only recommend buying the name brand one. You can always find deals on HotLook or Zulily.com. Like once a month they have different sets that you can buy, and that's how I originally got this. I got this and the leave-in cream for like 28 bucks, which is an amazing deal because this is like over $30 I think on its own. So definitely sign up for Zulily. It's a free app. They have a different deal every day. And HotLook is HAUTELLOOK. Theirs is usually a little bit mid to high end kind of stuff. From, I believe Nordstrom owns them. But that's my review on these. And I don't know if you can tell a difference, but maybe I'll put a picture side by side just so you can see or something, but I just think it's just as shiny. Maybe it's like a level below in softness, but that's not a huge deal because it's still really soft. And it handles frizz well. Today was a little bit rainy on the way home, but it's done a really good job. Alright guys, thanks, and let me know what you thought of this video. Thanks, and remember to subscribe. Bye.